Shelby and Michelle with Farmhouse Living, and welcome back to our channel. So today we're doing a little patio refresh at Mom's house. It is Texas summer.
Yes,
feels
full-blown
Texas summer. We finally got a break from all the rain we were getting.
Right.
And we can see some of that from your patio, so it needs a little refresh from the weather, but also just some summer pizzazz.
Yes.
You do already have a beautiful patio. You've done a good job. She has this hanging swing that we use a lot and some really amazing furniture, but we could use a little.
Yeah, so we're gonna plant some flowers. We're gonna do a fun tablescape for a little dinner night, and it's gonna be fun.
Yeah, and then she also found a, which I'm actually surprised, you don't typically do this. She found a hutch off Facebook Marketplace, and we're gonna make it a little potting shed.
I'm learning.
She's getting good at the treasure hunting. So we have lots of fun little projects that we're gonna take you along and show you the end product. So hope it inspires you, gets you all jazzed up for summer. You ready?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
Let's go. Quinn, you got your hat?
Hang it, and hang this one.
Yay! Okay, so we wrapped up the patio refresh. We had to wait a day because it was a little hotter than we expected.
Yes.
We're not used to the Texas heat because we had so much rain, which brought colder weather than we're used to in May.
Yeah.
And so then in June, when we try to be outside, when we're used to the cold weather, Texas, we just
slapped us in the face.
So anyways, we waited a day and it was wonderful this morning. Wrapped it up, and we do have dogs barking, lawnmowers going, but we're outside. It's wonderful, and we're gonna
keep
share
going.
Yeah. So let's start with your main back patio. You got your swing, and all we did really is brush off all the mud from the rain, the dogs lounging on it.
Well, I washed this cover.
Yeah, wash the cover. It's actually made with a twin bed. Mom got it custom made by a local woodworker.
Yeah.
And installed, and this is a twin bed with the cover. Did you get the cover made?
This came from World Market.
Oh.
The pillows came from Etsy.
Oh yeah, the pillows are really cost effective. So like, if they get terrorized by the weather, it's okay because.
Yeah. But they're holding up great because they're rugs from India.
Yeah.
So.
But I mean, weren't they like $10 and under?
Oh
I mean,
yeah, $10 and under.
So cheap. Yeah. So we'll link these, and then your other furniture, which is semi-new, was Nebraska Furniture Mart.
Yes.
So that was a good find. And then the coffee table was from a vendor market. I'm gonna try to find a lookalike. I think it's like an Ashley.
I think it's Pottery Barn.
Jenna Sue had a very close looking coffee table that was from Ashley that looked like this. But anyways, we'll find a lookalike. It's a good, I mean, I don't think this is an outdoor piece of furniture.
It's not, but it's under a cover, so we're good.
It's a little covered.
Well, it looks like beachy now.
It's gotten better with exposure
age.
and age. And one thing we did to kind of clean up this space a little bit was we put your cowhide down.
Yes.
It won't live here.
No, but we're having guests tonight, so it's perfect to done a patio makeover.
It's okay for things to be temporary, just to like spruce it up or have some fun, get creative. And this is a rug that Mom uses in her entryway, and it will go back in your entryway because your entryway looks pretty
naked.
Yeah. Looks really amazing here. We might need to find a rug to layer, and sometimes that's a good tip too, is if you start to play and you work with what you have, we might not keep this here, but now we know the layered look looks amazing here.
Yeah, it really does.
So, and it's justified the investment for the future.
That's right.
So, the next thing that we did was your Facebook Marketplace hutch, and it did not go as planned.
No, we wanted to take the doors off, but apparently the hutch is actually built around the doors, and they are
It is a very old, I mean, you got it pretty cheap, right?
Like $100.
Yeah, it's very old, and it's made really well, and it normally you could just screw doors off. That's not the case for this situation.
Right.
But luckily it looks great still, and so there's
it's very useful too, because my husband is a huge gardener.
Yeah.
So we keep all of his clippers and all the things.
We cut some Dusty Miller from the front lawn. You had an abundance.
Yes.
Your landscaping in the front is like
out of control.
I wouldn't say out of control. It looks pretty cottagey because it's really, really grown. I think between the rain, Mom says that the snowmageddon kind of strengthened all the Texas plants.
Anything that made it through was like, you know?
But yeah, they're like, they're really strong.
We didn't give them steroids.
We are all organic here.
That's right. And that's why you will see weeds in my garden.
Yeah. We did go to your garden and we harvested some things and we put it there just to, make it look cute, and but we will bring that inside and
actually eat it.
Eat it, yeah. So lots of cucumbers, peppers, tomatoes. Squirrels got tomatoes a little bit, but there's a lot, so
that's okay.
That we can share. The next thing was the table down at the bottom of so you go down the stairs at Mom's, you go down the stairs, and you are greeted by your beautiful pool that got a makeover last year.
Yes.
And fire pit, and then you have a little table there. Where's the table from?
The table, I will link that. I have to look that up, but it is available online.
Okay. You got it like a local furniture store.
A local furniture, outdoor furniture store.
Those chairs are amazing.
They really are.
They're comfortable and they look really great. And it was
expensive.
It was.
It was one thing. Everything outdoors was very reasonable except that table because it's teak.
Yeah. So it'll last.
It'll last.
Yeah.
That's why it's a good investment.
Yeah. So you save in some places and you spend in some places, and we did a whole video about that last week. So if you want to know Mom's save and splurge and how she did that throughout her home, I'll put that in a card right here. So you staged a little tablescape there, lemon themed.
Yes.
And there was no fancy napkin folding, super casual. I feel like if I just say it's casual, people would get like, that's not casual. Because it is, it's definitely done. It's cute, but you didn't like origami fold it. Like,
no, I don't know how to do that.
No. And so, simple, like you don't have to have any skills to make your napkins look like that is really my point. Then you did a little bucket with topo.
A large bucket with topo.
A large bucket with topo. And she's having 2 guests over tonight.
But it'll look cute.
Cute. She is the most extra hostess that's ever been.
It's true. And I have what I call like a hospitality gene, and it will go off the charts if things aren't kind of fluffed and not that I don't want people to be able to kick back, but I like people to have everything they need.
Yeah. And so all the things, you're never going to be without a drink, something to eat, and really anything you can think of. You think of it. But you also did some cuttings from your front yard and your landscaping in the back and staged it. I don't think you really had a strategy.
I didn't have a strategy. We just bought bottles from Dollar General. We have tons of those, and we stuck cuttings in there and just mixed them up, and it looks really cute.
Yeah, and sometimes like the Dusty Miller over the putting bench hutch thing or those clippings, we have no idea how long they'll last. Sometimes you cut things and they last
months,
and other times
that Dusty Miller will not last.
Yeah, but you never know, and even sometimes you cut things and they've propagated and turned into plants.
That's true.
So if you ever feel like, well, what's the point if it lasts a day? Well, it's just fun.
Yeah, it's just fun.
Yeah.
I talk about my bird bath.
Yes, your bird bath.
So as we've said, this cowhide won't stay, and the flowers in the bird bath will also not stay because I have a very aggressive cardinal. If you know cardinals at all, they're really territorial, and that's his bird bath. And he's very angry, and he's been pecking at my flowers like, what are these doing in here? Get them out.
I wish I could have got it on video, but every time I set up the camera, he like knows.
Yeah, he knows.
but he's like dive bombs it.
Yeah, he's angry.
So,
very angry.
I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to spend time outside, get some vitamin D, have some people over with some Topo Chico. I mean,
yeah,
summer is here.
This is it. We're ready, and I'm so excited. This pushed me into getting everything done, throwing away old things off the patio that no longer had use, and cleaning it from all the rain and getting it all ready.
Yep. So we're ready to go for the summer. Spend lots of time outside.
Enjoy family and friends.
Yep.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
And so like, subscribe, share with all your friends, and we'll have links for all the fun stuff below.
Yep. And also there's photos on the blog, and I have also gathered some other patio inspiration to give a little variety. So some of my favorite inspiration online is there as well. So make sure that you head to the link and enjoy.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.
Wow, look at that cardinal.
Oh wow, that would have been a pretty picture.
Hey guys, it's Shelby. Well, what are you doing with your hand? It just immediately started going off. No.
Okay, go ahead.